Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ala and my channel name is Alabel. You're welcome to join. Today I'm filming a video about the most viral in TikTok foundation hack or tip, and I'm gonna use it and see what happens. I made a notice where I put the steps of the application, and let's start. First of all, you need to clean your face. I've already done it, and then moisturize it. Alright, I'm using just regular cream. Let me moisturize it. Sometimes I use just concealer, sometimes I use foundation, but if you need some more coverage, then of course you need to use foundation. And with this TikTok hack, I know it fits the most to the girls with oily skin. I have more dry skin or normal combination skin, but still I think that it can fit me and we'll be able to see the result. Alright, the sun is just on the way, but it's fine. Moisturized, yeah. Then you need to put a little bit powder. I'm using my brush and my powder. I have transparent powder, Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder. It's a new one, I've just got it. And a little bit of powder all over the face. Alright, let's see what it does. I'm gonna try this technique also on my friend, but first I decided to practice on myself. Yeah, this is my powder. I have my powder on my face. Then you need to use fixing spray or primer. I have Rimmel also Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. You need to spray your face. Oh my god, it's already, it's even sealed. Yeah, I just got it yesterday along with the powder, just to practice this technique. Can you imagine that? I used to use such fixing sprays, but I didn't see the actual result because it seemed like it soaked into my skin and you could see the texture more. But we'll see. Maybe with this technique it will work. Oh my god. It smells actually like cucumbers. I bet my face was so funny. Yeah, and after the spray you need to use primer. I have NYX Angel Veil primer. Let me use it. Yeah, it's just like this. Maybe it's too much, maybe not, I don't know. First time practicing. I used to try this primer and it's, of course, it's great. It makes your skin so smooth and soft, and of course foundation glides easily on it. And finally, after the primer, we should use, according to the recipe, Add some salt and pepper. No pepper today. And we need to use foundation. I have Eveline Art Makeup Professional Foundation with hyaluronic acid. Yeah. It's in the color... does it say? I don't think so. And finally, foundation. I'm using my fingers mostly with this technique. No, I think it's okay. But I have a brush, by the way, here. So I'm gonna use my brush, I think. And we'll see the magic technique. I have my Zoeva Silk Finish 100 brush. And once I watched a video of a professional makeup artist, and she was like stippling the foundation and the concealer at the beginning like this, and then she started to swipe or to do such circles, and I feel like this technique really applies foundation really well, you know, because you like put more when you stipple on your skin, and then you brush, and it creates such a effect like blending, or I don't know how to call it. And I think it's the right technique of applying any cream foundations or concealers. Like you stipple it the first and then swipe and make circles. By the way, you know, when you applied it, you should not stop. Try to work a little bit with the brush, because it will really make the difference, and the product will look better on your skin. You know, I really like the way my skin looks, but it's pretty matte. I think mostly because of the primer, because it's really like smooth and doesn't give any shine. This is how my skin looks. I hope you can see. It's not perfect, of course. Yeah, I have a little bit dry skin, so maybe really this technique doesn't really fit my skin type, but look, just live TV, real skin. I mean, the surface of my skin looks pretty smooth. I think this technique is not bad, of course. I will apply more products and I will be back. You will see what I do. Actually, I will not just comment. You know, I do love how this foundation looks on my cheeks, but on my just a little bit dry. This I don't like. By the way, I will show you how my face looks in 1 hour. We'll see what it looks like. Add a little bit color and comb them more just to look them more natural, but still add color. See? And this is before. And after. I also like to add a little bit brown mascara. Colors a little bit your brows, but I don't know if it stays long. But of course, after you wash your face, it will not stay, but it will hold your eyebrows all day. What I like about it. I guess that's it for today. Alright, this is my skin with the TikTok viral technique. I will show you how it looks like in 1 hour. This is basically how my makeup looks in 1 hour. You can still see the texture of the skin, but you know what I forgot? I forgot to use concealer actually. I don't know. Maybe I was in a rush a little bit. The lipstick almost gone, but still I can feel a little bit on my lips. Drink some coffee, so my lipstick is gone, but I really like the texture actually. That was my viral makeup from TikTok. Have a nice day. Bye bye.